Yo, and we're back. So here we go, you guys. We're gonna get straight into it. Check out that artwork right there. There's Lugia right there, boy. Woo! Alright, we're gonna get straight into it. Straight into it. Yeah. Code card down. Card trick. Alright, guys, here we go. We have a random receiver, a Dino Spirit Link, Wigglytuff. Actually, here, let me zoom in a little bit here. There we go. Wigglytuff, a Seal, Riolu, a Jigglypuff, a Fennekin, Snivy. Oh, and check it out. An Omastar break card right off the bat. Are you kidding me? Very nice, you guys. And can we get lucky? Can we get lucky? Ah, Grumpig. Regular rare. But check out that break card, man. Omastar. Never would have thought Omastar would have been a break card. That is insane. Alright, you guys. On to the next one. Here we go. Alright. Card trick. Front. Here we go. Alright, we've got a Dugong, a Pupitar, Serving, a Deerling, a Carbink, Fennekin, Seal, Diglett, a reverse hollow Bronzong, and oh, a full art Altaria EX. Are you kidding me? Wow. Two great pulls. Wow, 2 packs, 2 great pulls. Look at that. That is awesome. That is awesome. Already 2 pulls. 2 pulls. Set those back there. Alright, let's get into the next one. Alakazam. The leader of the whole box. Oh, let's go, baby. Get some good cards in here. Yeah. Get the code card out. 3 to the front. Alright, here we go, guys. We have a Last Special, an Omanyte, a Devolution Spray, a Whismur, Mencino, Riolu, Binnacle, Solosis, a reverse hollow Mega Catcher, and a regular rare Kabutops. So nothing in that one. They can't all be winners, right? Alright, set these to the side. Against the next one, another Alakazam. Okay. Alright. Baby, code card all the way. Card trick. Alright, we have a old Amber Aerodactyl. Nice. Scorched Earth. An Omanyte. Riolu. Diglett. Mencino. We have a Coughing. A Volibee. The reverse hollow is a Carbink. And the last card is a regular rare Mandibuzz. So nothing there, guys. Alright. On to the next one. Lugia again. Lugia. Open that bad boy up. Alright. Code card. Oh. Okay, here we go. We have an Altaria Spirit Link, Alakazam Bent Spoon, a Zygarde, Solosis, a Riolu, Spoink, a Diglett, Larvitar. Reverse hollow is a Larvitar, and the last card is a regular rare Mothim. So nothing in that one either, but back-to-back Larvitars. Pretty cool. And I think this is a Zygarde at 100%. I'm not sure. Let me know. Comment below. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. Alright, guys. Here we go. Card trick it up. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. We have a Mega Catcher, a Duosion, a Chinchino, a Larvitar, Meow, Coughing, Burmy, Volibee. Reverse holo is a Snivy, and I think you see it, guys. We have a Alakazam EX. What? Wow, look at that, man. That is beautiful. It's a basic, but that is beautiful. Very nice. Wow. Sweet, man. There we go. We'll put that back there too. Alright, 3 good pulls. Not too bad, not too bad, guys. Next pack, Lugia. We have 2 more packs after this one. Alright. Code card down there. Trick here. Alright, here we go. We have a Kabuto, Pokemon Fan Club, Altaria Spirit Link, Solosis, a Cottony, Mincino, a Whismur, Meow. The reverse holo is a Meow. And the last card is a Lugia regular rare. But that looks kind of cool, man. It looks like, you know, those cards that had the level up here. What level they were? That looks pretty neat. That artwork. Wow. Alright, a Lugia and a Lugia pack. Can't beat that, can you? Alright, second to last pack, Alakazam. Alright. We have a Dome Fossil Kabuto, Howlucha, an N, a Binnacle, Gothita, Fennekin, Seal, Burmy. Reverse holo is an Altaria Spirit Link, and the last rare card is a Carbink. Carbink, non-holo. Last one is a Zygarde, I believe. If I'm wrong, it's the second one that I got wrong. Alright. Here we go, guys. We have a Fossil Excavation Kit, a Wormadam, a Zygarde, Snivy, a Whismur, Mincino, a Riolu, Binnacle. Reverse holo is, oh, a Bronzong break. That's our second break card in these 9 packs. Are you kidding me? That is a rare. The last card is a Mr. Mime non-holo. Alright, guys, so to recap this video, we did get 4 good pulls, 2 breaks, 2 basics, 1 full art. We have the Bronzong break card, which we just pulled. We have the Omastar break card, which I think we pulled in the first pack. We have the Altaria Full Art EX. Beautiful. And our best friend, Mr. Alakazam. Beautiful. Alright, guys, please comment below, like and subscribe to our videos. I got, I don't know, do the math, 27 packs left to do. So there you go. So we'll get into the next video, and peace.